Good afternoon and welcome to another episode of FITOUS Thai Kitchen. Now today we've got another classic for you, and that is chicken pad king, chicken stir fried with ginger. So this is an easy dish you can do in a few minutes at home with a few ingredients. So if that sounds good to you, and you know it does, stick around.
Good morning, welcome to FITOUS Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make chicken with ginger. Right, going to show what ingredient we use. Chicken breast 250 gram, ginger 100 gram, garlic and black pepper 10 gram, 2 tablespoons of yellow bean, sugar 2 tablespoons, red sweet chili 10 gram, spring onion 10 gram, black fungus 100 gram, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. We will put the cooking oil with a medium heat, and then garlic and black pepper. Deep fry garlic and black pepper. Until the color change to golden brown, and then put chicken. Add a little more water. Fry until your kitchen half cooked. You fry until chicken half
Fry the
cooked.
kitchen.
Yeah, you fry the chicken until half cooked. And then you put black fungus mushroom. Yellow beans. You can use black bean if you want, but a little bit more salty. And 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And 2 tablespoons of sugar. Then you can taste it. Okay. And ginger. Spring onion and red chilli. That's it for another easy dish.
Alright, so let's give this pad king a whirl. Look at that, you've got the ginger, black fungus. Looks good. Such a quick and easy dish. Most of these ingredients you can keep at home fairly easily. It's tasty. Ginger really comes through. If you can get Thai ginger, it's even better. Perfect. So everyone, that's it for this week. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you can get Thai ginger, if you can, it will just really make this dish even better. So give that a go, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell, and we'll see you next week. Thanks, bye.